Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to test a drive for Abb ACS850 module, and as you can see on the right hand side of this slide, it is a standalone unit, and in this unit we will connect a motor and test that motor. We'll do the testing in two different modes, that is first with HMI, we'll run it in a local mode, and second is with external command. Like when we are running the drive with the help of PLC, that is external command, that's how what all small modifications, small connections what we need to do, that we are going to see in this particular video. So this video is totally dedicated for testing a drive, its components, its cards are working fine or not. So without ado, let's get started. So our practical video starts here. You can see the drive. It's a complete stand-alone unit. The panel is separate and this unit is a part of the panel, so it's a integrated important part of the panel, but here we have just this unit and we have to test it. So this is the incoming cable, that input power supply, and we are giving from power JB 415 volt. As you can see, the cables are comparatively of the size is comparatively less because the output is less. Here you can see the output cable, and we are running the small motor, so the input and output current are less, so the cable size is less. Next, here we can see the drive is connected with control unit, that is GCU, and without GCU the drive cannot run, so we have to connect it. And the second thing is this HMI or CDP. So presently it is showing alarm, that is start interlock, and if we'll see the condition of GCU, J series control unit, so all the slots, all the channels are totally open. So step by step we'll connect only those cables which are required, and only this blue cables are connected, that is safe torque of STO. At the bottom it is interlock 1, 3 and 2, 4. So that's how. So first we'll take the trial from HMI. In order to remove that alarm of start interlock, we have to put a loop from XD24 slot number 1 or 3, both generate 24 volt, to XDI last slot. See, the black cable is provided just to remove that alarm, and it is important to provide it else the drive won't function in local as well as in remote mode. So that alarm will go and we'll get run enable option. Yeah, run enable, you can see an earth fault is by default because of some internal problem. The drive is showing earth fault, we can bypass it just for this drive, don't bypass it for the other drive. So once we are starting it, still we are unable to start the drive. See, I am increasing the reference. Even after giving more reference, the drive is not taking the run command, and in order to clear this fault we have to put one more loop, that is for external to start stop command. And here we have to loop from first slot of XD24 to 6th slot of XDI, the white cable you can see. So these two looping is sufficient to run the drive from HMI CDP, that we will see now. We have switched off the connection, and this is by default what we have seen earlier, safe torque off. We'll switch it on the main power supply, because all those connection we have to do once the drive is in off condition. Yeah, so now we have switched it on and you can see the connecting on the HMI. And the green indication here, and even the cooling fans will run. So this is one small cooling fan for cards, and the bigger cooling fans, the blowers, because drive generates a lot of heat, so we have to have a blower in India, not in European or Western countries, because the ambient temperature is like that. So here you can see the reference, the drive is in local mode, sorry, the HMI is in local mode, or the drive is in local mode, and the reference is too much. We'll go to the menu and reduce it, edit reference, we'll change it, make it 110, and once the start command is given here, the current will change. So that's how first scenario is done. Now we'll come to the second scenario, that is trial from remote condition. It's condition, sorry. In addition to earlier two connections, we have to make few more connection, and the third connection is XD24 1, that is white cable you can see, via MCB to XDI3 blue cable, this one. So this is for external 1 and 2 selection, and the earlier two cables as mentioned will remain the same. So this is how we have to make a connection. Again we have to add one more white cable from XD24 channel number 1, slot number 1, to XDI slot number 1, that is blue cable. This is also with the help of MCB or via MCB. So the connection is being done here. You can see the blue cable, and the MCBs are provided with a purpose that we'll get to know when to switch it on and off. So totally you can see the two MCB. This one is the first MCB and one more is at the bottom. Since we are running from external supply, so we have to give external reference cable, and here you can see the white cables. So these two white cables are connected at XAI 3 and 4, that is AI 2 plus minus with the help of source meter, and here you can see the status of the HMI, that is in remote. And now we'll see the complete cable structure. First we'll see the external 1 and 2 selection, these two cables. This is connected with the help of MCB, that is XD24-1 to XDI3 slot 1 to slot 3 with the help of MCB, that is for external 1 and 2 selection. Okay, and there is another MCB that is for external 1 start stop. So this is connected from slot 1 to 1 of XD24 to XDI1. So 1 to 1 connection it is, white and blue cable. Next, the black cable as we have mentioned earlier, and the white one, that is also as we have seen earlier. So these are 4 connections. Other than that, all are same. This blue cable, the looping cable, torque for torque, that is common, and analog input, white cables, analog input 2 plus minus 4 to 20 milliamps, that is connected with the help of source meter. You can see here 4 to 20. Next, just in order to start the drive, we have to first give the on command to this MCB, external selection 1 and 2, and we have to switch on this MCB, that is external 1 start stop, and since the reference was given, drive start running, and we'll keep on increasing the reference to check whether the drive is responding properly or not, and even the motor. So you can see the motor is also running. This is 50%, 75%, and the speed you can see. And just in order to stop it, we have to switch it off, this MCB. Once switched off, it becomes 0. So that's how we have to check the drive. So, and thank you for watching.